Hi, this is Watson from 911 Reviews, and today we have the Chin's 12-volt 100 amp hour lithium iron phosphate deep cycle battery. With 2,000 to 5,000 cycles, each battery can support 1,280 watts of power output. It's perfect for RVs, caravans, marine, home storage, and off-the-grid power. It has about 43 ratings on Amazon, with an average of 4.4 out of 5 stars. And if you're a fan of the Chin's brand, there are at least a half dozen other varieties of their batteries in different voltages and amperage hours, so check those out as well. This lithium iron phosphate battery provides 2,000 to 5,000 cycles, compared to 300 to 500 cycles in your typical lead-acid battery. And the service life of these batteries is 8 to 10 times longer than the standard lead-acid battery. It also weighs 30% less. Nice. This battery also has a 10-year warranty and lifetime technical support service. These also have a battery management system built in to protect it from overcharge, over-discharge, overcurrent, and short circuit, with excellent self-discharge rates. These types of batteries can also be safer than lead-acid because they have protection against ground faults, which lead-acid batteries do not. Now let me share with you a fun review from David E. Rowland, a verified purchaser. I'm using this battery to build a carry-around power box, such as the one used in ice fishing. I like the fact that this has a built-in carrying handle on the top. It holds a charge at 13.3 volts and does the job. Very good value for the price. Nice. So there you go. Order your Chin's battery today for all your portable power needs. You're gonna love it.